Hey folks, I'm Zach. Welcome back to the Murray Homestead. And today we're going to be teaching y'all how to make buffalo sauce, homemade buffalo sauce. We have a video, I'll have my wife link it in the description below, of how to deep fry chicken wings. And once you're done deep frying them, generally you're going to want to sauce them. So I'll show you how to do it real quick. All right, this recipe is crazy simple. All you're going to need is some butter. You can use salted or unsalted. It depends on what you prefer. We use salted. Some hot sauce, a little bit of this W sauce, I'm not going to pronounce it, some garlic powder, and some cayenne pepper. And all you got to do is put a half a cup of butter, so a whole normal stick, and you'll get that in there and let that start melting. You do not have to let it melt all the way in order to combine the rest of the ingredients. You'll add 2/3 of a cup of your hot sauce of choice. And honestly, you can stop there. If you want just the absolute most basic, that's all you have to do. I like to add a little bit of this W sauce because it makes it just a little bit more hearty. So I put about a tablespoon or so in there. We like things very garlicky around here. So I'm going to add the same amount, a small spoonful, so about a tablespoon of garlic powder. And we not only do we like stuff garlicky, we like stuff quite a bit spicy around here. So I'm going to add, I don't have a measuring spoon for this, but this is definitely like to taste. So I'll add about a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And that is honestly it. I'll give you all a shot in a minute here. The key things here is that you just want to stir it slowly. You do not want to let it come to a boil. As soon as you start seeing bubbles, take it off the heat and set it to the side. It's done. So just stir it all up. Make sure everything is completely melted. And as soon as you see bubbles, take it off. All right, so as y'all can see, it's just barely starting to simmer, and that's it. It's done. And y'all can see it's a very good-looking, very traditional style buffalo sauce. It's super quick and simple, and that's why this video is going to be pretty quick and simple. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the stupid bell. We'll see you all next time.